how you can connect the GitHub to your Claude AI. I'm using the desktop version. So first things first, open your Claude app, and once you are here, click on your profile in left down corner area. And here we want to open settings. Once you are in settings, on the left, go to connectors. And there should be under connectors area GitHub integration. So you can click connect and connect GitHub here. If you don't have it here, just click on browse connectors and search for GitHub. But I got it down here, so I'm just gonna click connect. It's gonna open you the browser version, and now you have to sign in to your GitHub account. You can continue with Google, and then you can go back to your Claude AI account. So once you do it, go back to your Claude, and there should be GitHub, and it's gonna be visible as connected once you do it. I did it before on Google Drive, and it's like this. And it's also gonna be like this when you connect it to your GitHub integration, and you can code with GitHub. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.